Welcome back to the channel. We are taking a look at Nano Banana, a Blender add-on that lets you generate and edit images with Gemini directly inside Blender. No more jumping between different apps, no complicated setup, and no unnecessary friction. Everything happens right inside the workflow you already use every day. One of the biggest advantages of Nano Banana is that you do not need an API key to get started. First, download the Nano Banana add-on. In Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, and Add-ons. Click Install and select the add-on file, then enable Nano Banana. You can click one-click setup or go through the steps manually by running Install button, verify bridge files, load in Gemini, and start bridge. When the browser window opens, sign in with your Gemini account, then return to Blender. Before you generate anything, there is one important thing to remember. You need to render your image first by pressing F. Nano Banana uses your current render as the source image, so the render needs to be ready before you enter a prompt and click Imagine. This gives the AI a proper foundation to work from, including your composition, camera angle, and lighting. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, Nano Banana lets you use that rendered image as the source. That means the composition, camera, and lighting you already built in Blender become the base for the AI to develop further. It is a much faster way to work, and it helps the result stay much closer to your original idea. Inside the panel, you can generate and edit images with Gemini in just a few clicks. If you want more stable framing, you can turn on Keep Camera to preserve your composition. If you want the lighting mood to stay closer to the original scene, Keep Lighting helps keep the result more consistent from one generation to the next. Nano Banana also includes Iterate on the last result, which lets you keep building on the image you just created instead of starting over every time. This is especially useful for concept work because it allows you to refine the image step by step until the mood and design feel right. When you need more options, you can generate multiple variations in a single run to quickly explore different visual directions. The panel also gives you control over aspect ratio, output size, and seed, so you can shape the output based on the needs of each project. Every result is saved in the history panel so you can review it whenever you want. You can compare the AI result with your original render, or open the image externally for additional editing if needed. What makes Nano Banana especially powerful is how naturally it fits into the Blender workflow. You stay inside the scene you already know, but now you have AI helping you move faster, explore more ideas, and shorten the path from rough block out to finished concept. If you are looking for a way to make your Blender concept workflow faster, smoother, and easier to set up without needing an AP key, Nano Banana is absolutely worth trying.